Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $873.1 billion, up 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 36.3%. Looking across the board, you guys can see we are starting to see more red across the board. Yes, we are seeing a little bit of green across the board over the last 24 hours. But as far as the overall market sentiment is concerned, we're still in the extreme bearish end of the spectrum. But today we are going to be focusing more towards Cardano and see what's happening with the price of Cardano and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Looking at the price of Cardano, currently trading at 31.4 cents, down 0.5% in the last 24 hours, as well as 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is still at the top 9th spot with a market cap of $11 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $215.2 million. And now let's get right into the price and see what's exactly happening with the price of ADA and what are some levels or targets that we should be looking at in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see, this right here is the Cardano time frame, and this time frame right here is on the daily end, and we're still hovering around this 31.38 cents mark, which is the wick that we saw after the November 9th crash that we have seen. We're holding around these levels, and this is a level of support all the way back on 2021 before the massive rally. And what is coming next for Cardano? As mentioned in my previous video, I believe Cardano has been holding quite strong compared to some other altcoins, and that is no secret right now. The overall momentum for ADA is very, very strong, and that shows one thing. And the thing that it shows is the fact that, there's a lot of, strong belief in ADA's future, and the community is very, very strong. Let's not forget, this is no secret right now. A lot of people tend to forget this, but ADA hit an all-time high of $3.11, and since then it has retraced, if we bring out the measuring tool, roughly about 90% from all-time highs. And right now, this is by far where there's the most fear when it comes to Cardano. A lot of people are not even touching ADA, but obviously the smart investors are dollar cost averaging in, the ones that believe in the vision and believe that the next few years is going to be very, very massive for the price of Cardano, because look at what they're developing. Their development has not stopped at all, and that's one thing I keep on mentioning on my channel. Projects that stall when the overall bear market is in play, that's the biggest red flag there could be. And if we're comparing Cardano from 2018, 17, the early days of Cardano, and we're just look at the ecosystem expansion. It has expanded at a tremendous rate, and it continues to grow. And I believe the next bull cycle, we're going to be trading above $3.11. So the future is very, very bright. Now, if we go on staking rewards, I always mention this to you guys. Look at the most staked asset in the cryptocurrency space by, the overall market valuation. The number 2 most staked asset is still Cardano. What does that tell you guys? That tells you that a lot of people believe in this Cardano. And as I've mentioned, Cardano is one of the projects that is closest to ETH that I've ever seen in this market, and I've been mentioning this to you guys since day one. You guys can go watch my old videos. I've been saying this for the longest time. We've heard Ethereum killer for the longest time. A lot of Ethereum killers came in the markets, a lot of them failed, but Cardano is still here, and they're developing at such a fast pace. And I believe in the long haul, if they continue doing what they're doing, they're going to have a very, strong edge against Ethereum. Because if we look at the technology, Cardano's technology is way superior than Ethereum's, in my personal opinion. Ethereum at this point, I don't believe is a development hub, because more blockchains are coming, with faster transactions, faster speed, etc., etc. So more investors are looking forward to other blockchains rather than Ethereum. Ethereum is more of an asset class, store of value, such as Bitcoin, and that's what I believe it's going to be as we go into the future, rather than the development side of it. And it speaks for itself. Look what has happened with Solana's ecosystem as far as the NFTs are concerned. Now Polygon is catching on as well, and I believe Ethereum does have a lot of competitor coming on its side, and that is no secret as of now. As far as Cardano's next price targets that are concerned, I still do believe that Cardano needs to be above this 40 cents resistance level. It's a very, very important level of resistance, guys. And if I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're still about If I do bring up the measuring tool for you guys, we're still about 30% away from those levels. And can I see that happen? I definitely can, but we do need to keep in mind that Bitcoin is still, hovering around this pattern, trading sideways. We have created a double bottom on, the yearly price 2 times at the 15,500. But capitulation, I believe, is still not around these prices. I believe it will be around $13,000, roughly around there. We could see a wick to 11,000, but I don't see those prices holding for too long. But like I said, I could see more downwards momentum for the price of Bitcoin. I have not, been keeping that aside. I've been telling you guys, the price of Bitcoin is still not, I believe, at the bottom as of now. But as far as the Cardano price is concerned, a lot of people are saying, are we going to see more downwards momentum? Are we going to see 2 cents Cardano like we saw back on March 13th, 2022? As mentioned in my previous video, I think those days are gone. That ship has sailed. That ship has sailed, in my personal opinion. We could see lower price movements for Cardano, but I don't see it going to those levels anymore. But long-term perspective, the people that are accumulating right now, they believe in the vision. Those are the people that tend to win this market in the long haul. And it's just the part of the market cycle. Obviously, there's going to be some people that are going to be FOMOing in at the all-time highs. And you might think now, oh, people will learn. People are going to learn that you don't buy at the all-time highs. But guys, that's how the human brain works. It's very, very scary, but that's where smart investors make money, and the investors that unfortunately are buying at the top are going to be the ones that are losers. That's how it is. Some people win, some will lose. Not everyone is going to win. And this is where I try to teach all my viewers, especially the ones that are accumulating around these prices. When you do see these massive spikes happening within the price, when the bull market is at its peak, things are going insane, that's where you should be locking in profits, man. Like, I cannot stress this enough. When you log in profits, then you buy back once the market consolidates, and that's how you succeed this cryptocurrency market, or even the traditional stock market. That's just the way to go about it. But again, you guys do what works for you. That's just my own personal strategy. But I do believe Cardano's future is very bright. Right now, like I said, the next target would be this level of resistance, which is the bullish side of the spectrum. If we go over there, I do believe we're going to be on the safer end of the spectrum. But at the same time, there is still a chance for us to see more downwards momentum as far as Bitcoin, and as long as Bitcoin does not, has a shake off. If it does, then more downwards momentum is in play, and the next targets that I would be looking at is around that 21 cents mark. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing. What are your strategy for Cardano? What's your end goal? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come join the Crypto ZX army. We are taking this channel to 100,000 subscribers, so I need each and every one of you guys to come support the channel. I love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.